Big hello to all the students of Standard 8 and welcome to the physics class, okay, which will be conducted through video lessons. So this is your first chapter in physics and this is Jenny teacher and taking your first chapter, that is matter. Have you come across this word matter? I think yes. Is it in this way that you have come across this word? But in physics also you know very well that things around us which we can see, smell, touch, hear or taste is known as matter. So there are so many things around us which come under the category of matter. So we can call them all matter. Okay. Now let us look at what more about matter. Okay. What you have learned. What is the definition of matter? So matter is defined as anything which occupies space and has mass. Anything which occupies space. So if you put some books in your bag, you know that it occupies some space and the books has mass also. So whatever things which have space, which occupy space and has mass, they are called as matter. Okay. So this definition you have to learn about matter. Now let us come across some examples of matter. Oxygen, sugar, sand, silver, steel, copper, milk, oil, petrol and so on. This can go on because there are so many things around you which can be called as matter. Okay. So this is very simple for you. You can just learn some examples of matter. Now let us just think. Look at this picture. Have you ever wondered what matter is made up of? Now why I am showing you this picture is, there is a curious kid here who is trying to find out what his toys are made up of by trying to taste it. Isn't it? So you must have also wondered what things are made up of, because you are also very bright and curious kids. And for learning physics, this is a very important character that you all must possess, that you should be very curious to learn new things. So now here, our ancient philosophers, they also wanted to know what matter is. So they all thought that matter is made up of 5 kinds of natural elements. Okay. So this is air. So you can see here, air is called as Vayu. Then you have fire. Fire is called as Agni. Then we have water. Water is Jal. Sky, that is Akash, and earth. So these were the 5 elements that ancient philosophers thought constituted all matter. But later Maharishi Kannada was the first to suggest that all matter is made up of small particles called Anu, and each Anu may be made of still smaller particles called Parmanu. So he was the first one to give some idea about Anu and Parmanu. Can you identify this person? So now when you study chemistry, you will be coming across this picture and you have to learn that this is our famous English chemist John Dalton, who suggested that all matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules, and each molecule is made up of same or different kinds of atoms. So you have learned about molecules and also about atoms. So you know that some matter is made up of same kind of molecules and same kinds of atom, and some molecules are made up of different kinds of atoms. So we will be studying more about molecules and atoms in our next class.